Now here a body of mass m is moving with velocity v in this direction. Now this is the line of action of velocity. So we are interested to find the angular momentum of this mass about p. So हम क्या करेंगे? What will be our first approach? If this angle is theta, then what will be angular momentum? This angular momentum vector will be equal to generally m into vector r cross vector v. आपको बताया जा चुका है, this is m into vector r cross vector v, and this can be written as r into mv sin theta. If we take this r and sin theta, that is mb into r sin theta, we can say. And what is r sin theta? Suppose let this perpendicular distance is d. This d is this perpendicular distance from line of action of velocity to the point P. So what is r sin theta? देखिए, this will be equal to r sin theta, this d will be equal to r sin theta, and so we can say that angular momentum vector will be equal to mb into d, right? So this will be the answer. Now what is direction of angular momentum vector? So it is cross product of r and v. So first of all we will study the plane of r and v. So suppose these are in plane of both. So हम क्या करेंगे? It is r cross v. It is r cross v, and its direction is given by, लिख लीजिए, its direction is given by right hand thumb rule. It is right hand thumb rule. So हम right hand thumb rule लगाएंगे R से V के तरफ. देखिए here in this case it is R to V. हमारी जो fingers की curling होगी, it is in a direction from R to V. And what will be direction of thumb? That will give the direction of linear momentum vector. So here in this case R cross V, the thumb is outward. So direction of angular momentum vector is perpendicular to plane of the boat, outward. And it is also given by, direction is also given by screw rule. हम R से V के तरफ screw ले जाएंगे, R से V के तरफ screw हो जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? The screw, it will rotate in anti-clockwise direction and the screw will move in outward direction. So direction of linear momentum will be, angular momentum will be outward, normal to this boat. Now here in this case we see what happened. Now here it is velocity. This is the direction of velocity vector v. This is the direction of velocity vector, and this is the direction of radius vector. You can say this is the direction of radius vector. So here this angle is given as theta. So what will be this angle? This is 180 degree minus theta. This angle will be 180 degree minus theta. So we have L is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? m r v, और ये क्या हो जाएगा? साइन ऑफ 180 डिग्री माइनस थीटा which is equal to sin theta. So again it is m r v sin theta. So angular momentum will be equal to m r v sin theta. Now this will be the answer.